Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll tackle an important question. Why are Muslims divided into so many sects and different schools of thought when we all follow the same Quran? Let's explore this topic together. First and foremost, Islam is a religion that promotes unity among its followers. The Quran emphasizes this in Surah Al-Imran, verse 103, where Allah commands us, "And hold fast, all together, by the rope which Allah stretches out for you, and be not divided among yourselves." This rope is the Quran itself. It's a clear call for all Muslims to unite and refrain from division. When we say, "hold fast all together," it's a reminder that division is not what Allah wants for us. The Quran further instructs us in Surah An-Nisa, verse 59, "Obey Allah and obey the Messenger." Now let's address the elephant in the room. The Quran explicitly prohibits the creation of sections. In Surah Al-An'am, verse 159, Allah warns us, "As for those who divide their religion and break up into sects, thou hast no part in them in the least." Yet, when you ask a Muslim today, "Who are you?" the answers often vary. I am a Sunni, I am a Shia, or identify by various schools like Hanafi, Shafi, Maliki, or others. So, who was our beloved Prophet Muhammad? Who? Was he a Hanafi, Shafi, or any other sect? The answer is clear. No, he was simply a Muslim. The Quran reminds us that previous prophets like Jesus and Ibrahim were also Muslims, as stated in Surah Al-Imran, verses 52 and 67. The Quran encourages us to identify as Muslims above all. In Surah Fussilat, verse 33, it states, "Who is better in speech than one who calls men to Allah, works righteousness, and says, I am of those who bow in Islam, Muslim." Here we are reminded to say, "I am a Muslim," not to get caught up in labels that divide us. The Prophet Muhammad invited non-Muslim rulers to accept Islam using these words from Surah Al-Imran, verse 64. "Say ye, bear witness that we, at least, are Muslims, bowing to Allah's will," while some might refer to the hadith from Sunan Abu Dawud, stating that the community will split into 73 sects. Remember that the Quran consistently commands us not to create divisions. So what's the solution? It's simple. Unity through understanding and following the teachings of the Quran. A true Muslim should strive to obey Allah and His Messenger. Any scholarly view should align with the Quran. Otherwise, it holds no weight.
Subscribe to my channel.